Hello and welcome to Softclue LMS. I'm excited to introduce you to something powerful, exciting, and very useful: Power BI visualizations. Now, let me ask you a question. Would you rather look at a long list of numbers or a clear chart that explains everything in seconds? Exactly. Visualization is the art of turning data into pictures, like charts, graphs, maps, and dashboards, so that information becomes easy to understand. And Power BI is one of the best tools in the world for doing this. With Power BI, you can create bar charts to compare values, line charts to track changes over time, pie charts to show proportions, tables, maps, and many more visuals. Instead of guessing, Power BI helps you see what your data is saying. Businesses use Power BI to track sales, monitor performance, understand customers, and make smart decisions. Hospitals use it to track patient data. Schools use it to monitor student performance. Governments use it to understand trends. And now, you will learn it too. In this course, you'll learn how to build interactive dashboards that tell stories with data. You won't just look at numbers, you'll understand them. We'll start from the basics, step by step. No experience needed, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. Welcome to Power BI visualization on Softclue LMS. Let's turn data into insights.